We have something new for Shopkins. They're Shopkin eggs. Oh, and I have my dog along with me today. She's so perfect this time. So they're eggs, and there's 2 in each, kind of like the little baskets, but egg form. Okay, so we're gonna open up and see what's inside. I'm gonna open up the pink one first, Gracie. That's a yes, okay. Awesome. So we had to get some scissors, they're really hard to open. So these eggs will be like great for Easter or spring or any time really. Okay, Gracie, finally got this open. Okay. Oh, it's so big. So just a little egg and there's 2 Shopkins inside. Oh, you smell something good in there? Something good in there? Oh, look at this! It's a little cinnamon bun! And then we got a little shoe. Got a little shoe. So there's not those collector's guides in them. They're just eggs with Shopkins in them. So if you don't have a collector's guide, well, we can't really know what the name was. So I went and got one of my collector's guides. This is Cindy Bun. And this one's Sharon Shoe. So those are the first 2 we opened. Now we're gonna open the blue egg. We haven't opened it yet. You gotta stay here. We haven't opened it yet. You gotta wait till we open. Does that smell like something good? Yeah? Yeah, me. Okay. Okay. I'm guessing she said it smells very good. So. Ooh! I got a purse. And purple lettuce? I don't think lettuce is purple. Is it? Maybe lettuce is purple. I don't know. Like maybe when it grows, maybe. So I'm guessing these are season 4 because all 4 of these were season 4 ones. So we got purple lettuce, which is, this is crispy lettuce. And the other one is, the other one was, so forgetful. Handbag Harriet. Yellow with blue. So those were the 4 that we opened today. We got Sharon Shoe, Cinnamon Bun, Crispy Lettuce, Harriet Handbag. So that's all 4 we opened today. See you guys next time and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! I will see you. Bye.